Today I was going to show you guys what's been going on at my place. I've been working on a track for probably the past year or so. Little by little, I got me a tractor last year and been doing little stuff. Cleared out a bunch of trees and brush and cut out some trails. I got a few little jumps, but I'm going to kind of show you guys what I plan on doing and kind of show you guys around and what I've been doing. My first original trail I cut out. The tractor just started clearing brush one day and eventually made a trail. Basically a left-hand turn here. I'm trying to make a big bowl turn, but then you got a creek here. Either gonna build a jump across it, or what I'm gonna do is put a pipe in it and then cover it up. But either put a jump here, a bridge, or something across it. One of the two. We'll figure something out. So then from here, the track will go straight. Probably put another jump here or something, or just some rollers, or whatever. You see, this was all woods before, but it's pretty cleared out for the most part now. Big spider web. But you got a left-hand turn here into a double section, which is pretty fun. And then, whoa! Flip-flops are dangerous in the woods. You got another double here into a left-hand turn, which I still need to build this berm up a little bit and move these vines. Still got some more trees to clear and stuff, but like I said, it's a work in progress. So basically the track will make a left-hand turn here, and it'll basically do a loop around the whole outside perimeter and come back through the middle here. And I've got a jump going across the creek, which is not finished yet, nor has anybody jumped it, but it's kind of like a little step up. And then here's where I was talking, where that trail will come back around. But anyways, probably hard for you to tell what's going on here. But so here's the creek jump, probably about 40 feet or so, maybe 50. But today we won't be riding the whole track. Obviously the whole track's not really rideable, but so the plan is to jump across the creek, make a left-hand turn, and then you'll come down back into the woods. But right now we've been just crossing this bridge to bypass the jump, and then you'll come back into the woods right here. I've also got a little backyard jump temporarily right now. Come back into the woods right here, and it kind of loops around where we first started in. So yeah, I mean, it's there's like 3.2 acres, so I probably got I don't know, 2 acres of like riding, but it's definitely something to ride, come home from work and be able to just ride something. So it's definitely good enough for me for now, but just put the work in and you can have fun. So here's my double I got in the backyard, which we'll probably be hitting today some. Pretty fun. It's about 40 feet. Something better than nothing. Only have a couple jumps, so this kind of keeps me entertained while I'm working on my track. I'm gonna jump on the tractor real quick and try to spruce a few of the little spots up, creek and stuff. Well, it didn't work that well. Still, this creek stays pretty wet down there, so just got to go with it. Need to get my pipe in there. That way I can get the tractor across. I have a lot of trouble with getting this tractor across the creek. It holds up time for me trying to work on this thing too, so just have to go with it.
I don't know why you got a jersey out. Why'd you get a jersey out? You don't need that thing, do you?
Because I'm racing. People gotta know who's who,
Do you even have your name on that one? See, if you just get it tattooed on your back.
Yeah, that's an idea.
Huh? Huh?
If I get some sponsors, maybe I can afford that.
I'll give you $100.
Alright, give me $100. I'll get one of those fake spray on ones.
No, just kidding.
Tornado did it.
We're gonna get you the cheapest number and name tattoo we can find. Oh yeah. Hang on, you want me to get real close on this? I know you like these shots.
Yeah, these are good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna have to turn the camera off here. Derek's gonna have to kickstart his bike about 30 times.
You're right. Watch.
What we're gonna do?
Don't even stop.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna let it warm up, and then we'll come back.
Don't even. Don't
Then
even
we'll come
stop
back.
it. Look, I bet it starts.
It's still got mud on it, dude.
Second kick. I'm gonna say it starts second kick. It could even be a first kicker. This thing is
Clapped.
250 hours original crank. It's not even a joke. Let's see what it does.
Prove it, dude. I mean, your hour meter's hidden.
I'm not
Prove
even
it.
gonna pull it.
All right, we got a Derek designed bridge here. Derek designed and built. A little worried to walk over it. Lap and a half. Damn, dude. I mean, you just put that on like
Yeah, like 2 days
half an hour ago.
Yeah, literally 2 days ago.
You've done what? 10 laps with that thing? Push start, dude. You don't need it. You don't have to learn to ride without that thing.
I've done it before, unfortunately.
Get it in neutral so he can find somewhere to roll. All right, y'all, we booby-trapped the line. Derek stalled in this corner about 4 times. We'll see what happens. I mean, you were riding good without that clutch.
Yeah. Just imagine if I had a clutch. Could you imagine that?
Yeah, you were riding worse. I saw it. You
Probably.
kept stalling the bike.
Dude, that was pretty rough. First turn, break my clutch lever. But anyways.
Derek almost died a couple times.
And next time you watch me ride, I'll have a clutch lever.
That was nervous. Like, that made me nervous. The last time, no, not the last time when I was sitting right next to it filming, and all I hear is, oh, no, 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 no. And you, woo! Woo! Case the hell out of it.
Yeah, that was
I was nervous both times, but that time afterwards I was like, how close was he to me?
I was more nervous the time that Nate tried to kill me with the walk. But,
Booby trap.
just wait till I get to his house.
Man, what'd you say about our track that one time last spring?
Well,
This place is a joke.
I didn't purposely put the log in the face of the jump, though.
Sure. You heard it from me. This place is a joke.
So you'll never see Nate riding here, ever.
Except for right now.
And if he does, it's because he begged for me to let him come over. So we'll see in the future.
Yeah. We're about to do, Derek.
All right, so I got this great idea that I'm gonna try some trick shots.
Hold up. So this is so you guys don't think I'm trying to kill Derek twice. This is Derek's idea.
I'm gonna try to hit the jump. He's gonna throw me a tennis ball, and I'm gonna catch it in the air before I land, and hopefully not crash.
Yep. I guess, do you want it like let out in front of you, I'd assume?
Yeah.
Where you're not... If it's too far away, I mean, don't go extending your body out for it.
I'm not.
Raggy tennis ball. We're going to throw it from the front, that way it's going at him. Little low, little low. Ah! So if he catches it, is he going to land one-handed? I don't know if he's got those chops in him or not. Now I can't find it. Found it. Off of his goggles. Ah! No! That's it. No! I know. Yeah! Woo! I stopped filming before the backflip.
Alright. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're out. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos.
Derek will be making videos 3 times every 6 months.
Do my best, but got a wife, gotta work, gotta have fun. So, we'll see you guys soon.